A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is wisdom, the art of action, waiting and letting go. Ladies and gentlemen, since the dawn of time, wisdom has been honored not as the possession of knowledge, but as the rare ability to discern the right response to life's unfolding, to act, to wait, or to let go. These are not ordinary choices, but sacred rhythms shaping destiny. Wisdom is the compass that steadies the human journey through uncertainty, guiding hearts and minds into harmony with the cosmos. Science affirms what sages have long taught. In physics, resonance appears when timing is perfect. Too soon or too late, energy scatters. In rhythm, transformation occurs effortlessly. In neuroscience, the prefrontal cortex enables not just action but pause and reflection, turning impulses into choices. Ancient temples and modern laboratories converge on the same truth. Wisdom is found not in constant motion but in rhythm. The Vedic tradition reflects this harmony through Lord Ganesh, Veda Swarupa, Vignaharta and Vinayaka. Beyond being the embodiment of wisdom and the remover of obstacles, he is the guardian of thresholds and regulator of the five elements: earth, water, fire, air and space. His presence symbolizes clarity. Without it, action turns chaotic, waiting stagnates, and letting go becomes despair. With it, each step aligns with the truth. A tranquil mind mirrors reality as a still lake mirrors the sky. When turbulence subsides, intelligence perceives not only what is urgent but what is essential. Mastery of speech lies not in abundance but in words that heal and uplift. In the same way, mastery of life lies not in endless striving, but in knowing when to advance, when to pause, and when to release. History too provides its lessons. Empires that rushed blindly collapsed in arrogance. Nations that hesitated too long lost their movement. Leaders who clung to outdated certainties saw their worlds dissolve. The pattern is universal. Wisdom is balance, where courage meets patience and surrender transcends attachment. What's the way forward? In today's restless world, reclaiming wisdom calls for 3 disciplines. First, action with clarity. Act when values align, and the step nourishes growth. Such action becomes dharmic, not compulsive. Second, waiting with awareness. Waiting is not idleness, but attentive presence, like seeds preparing unseen beneath the soil. Third, letting go with grace. To release what has fulfilled its purpose is freedom, not weakness. Letting go restores energy and opens new paths. When these 3 flow together, clear action, patient waiting, graceful release, life becomes less a contest of control and more a dance with the universe. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna stood paralyzed. Lord Krishna, though capable of reshaping destiny, waited until Arjuna surrendered his confusion and distress and whispered, "Guide me." Only then did wisdom descend, not as command, but as light. Lord Krishna's words endure. Your right is to action alone, never to its fruits. Let not the fruits of action be your motive, nor let your attachment be to inaction. This teaching liberates. It frees the heart from fear, the mind from burden, and the spirit from bondage. It calls humanity to act with courage, wait with trust, and let go with grace. When one acts without clinging, waits without despair, and releases without sorrow, life transforms into sacred rhythm. Wisdom then becomes presence itself, thus carrying the soul from confusion into clarity, from anxiety into serenity, from time into the eternal. As the revered Bhagavad Gita profoundly declares, wherever Krishna, the master of mystics, and Arjuna, the supreme archer, are present, there will surely be fortune, victory, prosperity, and morality. Here, Arjuna symbolizes the ideal devotee, embodying conviction and righteous action, and Krishna, the presence of divine guidance in one's life. In this rhythm lies a gentle invitation to find clarity in action, patience in waiting, and freedom in release, thus walking not against life but in harmony with its timeless flow. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.